Hello YouTube, we're back with another INGERSOLL RAND impact tool. This is an impact ratchet. It's a model number, or it's 2025 max impact tool, half an inch drive. Maximum PSI is 90. 6.2 bar. RPM maximum is 9,000. I have to say it feels real good in the hand for its size, and it's for being a half an inch drive, a big one. That's the real good metal. Has a few scratches. We haven't used this one. We just barely got this one. We bought it used. This is the full torque forward, and this is the lower torque, and this is the full power reverse. So it's real convenient where they put this one in. The triggers right here, real nice feel to it. And this is the back where the air inlet goes. It's hard to see with the, there we go. But yeah, this tool has, or can go up to 183 pounds of torque. A maximum of 7,100 RPM. It does have the best weight to power ratio, so it doesn't weigh as much as the other ones compared to the other half an inch. It says it requires a minimum of 3/8 hose, so a minimum of 3/8 has to be the minimum to run properly this tool. So yeah, this is here's this is my quick review on this INGERSOLL RAND half an inch air ratchet tool. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon.